Hello, this is the Invisible Man from palmpreforum.org. In this video, I will be going through all the options and settings of the Palm Pre, at least all that I can find. It seems they're everywhere. But let's start. Bring up my launcher. It's on the third page here, as you can see. It's on the third page. I'll just start at the beginning, I guess. If I click Help, this feature is not quite done yet. But you can see that they include tips, clips, and featured. Although if I click them, each one of them just says help will be available at launch. You can also search. Just say I search for light. Just first word that came to my head. It shows that there's no search results right now, but you can see it says under the category help and support. So it seems you'll be able to search help and support right on the pre. Clips, like I said, same thing. And featured articles, same thing. Can't really look at those. Sounds and ringtones. A lot of people were concerned about this. As you can see here, sounds and ringtones. With the ringer switch off, if you would like the phone to vibrate or not, you can choose. So you can either have it completely silent or go to vibrate mode with the ringtone off. Ringer switch on. You can choose your ringtone here. The emulator doesn't have audio, so I can't really play any of these, but you'd be able to preview them right there. Also, you can add your own from your music library, but my music library is currently empty. You can choose your ringtone volume right here, system sounds on or off, as well as volume for system sounds, and vibrate on or off. Pretty intuitive settings, very simple, yet very functional. I can show you the next one would be screen and lock. You can choose your screen brightness here, how long you want the screen to stay on, or turn off rather. You can change your wallpaper here. Just takes you right into your photos and you can change it. Switch applications. This one you can turn on or off. If you have it turned off, any right or left swipe on the gesture area will perform a back gesture. If it's turned on, swiping the entire length of the gesture area will switch to the next or previous app. So you can choose. That's your choice completely. Secure unlock. You can actually choose a PIN or a password for when you unlock your phone. I can't get it to lock because there's no actual power button on the emulator here, but you can choose when you hold the lock key and slide it up. I'm sure you've seen in other videos. You can either choose a simple PIN or a password to be required to unlock it. And notifications show when locked. You can turn that on or off. Just so if your notifications are private, you might not want them to show up when your phone is locked. Wi-Fi, nothing real special yet. Wi-Fi is turned off. I can't turn it on in the emulator. It does not work. I get the same exact thing from Bluetooth, but I'll show you that. Same sort of screen, nothing. But that's just because the emulator doesn't really support it right now. Location services. This I had to go through, the first time I set it up, I had to go through a little just agreement saying I agreed to Google services. You can turn auto locate on just so for location aware applications, it'll automatically locate you. You can tell it to use the GPS or not. Now, I'm not sure whether that means if you have it off, if it'll actually use the cell towers to triangulate and track you that way. I'm not really sure, but I'm assuming most people can use the GPS. You can also choose to geotag photos, yes or no, and background data collection. Basically, Google wants information about you. You can turn that on or off. It's up to you, but the information on that's right there. What's next? Going through this kind of quick here, just get it over with. Device info. A lot of people were concerned about this. Choose your device's name. I'm assuming that'll be its Bluetooth name, Wi-Fi name, etc., etc. This phone number does not give you anything, but that would be your real phone number. But right now for the emulator, that's just a standard one. Don't bother calling it. Battery life, available memory, version, and the build. If you scroll down, you get more info. Got your hardware here, your firmware, your MSID, your MEID, and your PRL version. If you go to software, this just shows you all the software on the Pre. Okay, and that's about it for that. Not too interesting. Also, you have your reset options. You can read through these. I'll stay on it for a second, but I'm assuming most people just pause the video to read through this. But you can basically restart the phone, partially erase, fully erase. They all do different things. Let's see. Okay, nothing up there. So that's device info. Date and time, pretty simple. Time format, 12-hour, 24-hour. Network time, you can tell it to be set when it's available from the network, or you can set the time yourself. It's your choice. Network time zone, you can choose that, or you can have it set automatically from the network. It's your choice yet again. Right now I don't have a network, which is why the time is incorrect. It says it's 8:02, but currently it's 11:05 where I'm at. Updates. Very simple here. Checks for updates. This is, I would assume, how you would update your phone when they release new versions of things. Right now it's not going to check anything, so I'm not connected to anything. But that's where you would go to update your phone. Backup, I already showed this in another video, but I'll just scroll through it real quick. Your data is backed up automatically every day. You can choose to back up now, turn it on or off. You can also edit your Palm profile. That's another one of my videos. Feel free to check that out. Whoa, mouse locked up there for a second. Regional settings. I don't know if it's been in here yet. Language, you can choose whatever you need. Also, you can choose your number system, currency, time, date, I believe. I think it's all automatic after you select your country. It just kind of shows you all the different things. And also, that might be a good tool, to see, like, for example, if you want to go to Italia, Italy. Oof, I hope I can understand this. Oh, okay. Well, apparently that resets the device, but I hope I can understand this when it comes back on. Okay, hold on one moment. Regional settings. Yeah, so that actually does change it. That's kind of weird that it resets it. I don't know if it'll do that on the actual device, but it shows that. I just got an instant message there. Sorry about that. Shows actually what their number system, what their currency, et cetera, is. So it's kind of nice to have. I'm going to go back to English. United States. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, well, that's about it for the settings. I'm going to make a few more videos tonight probably, so remember to check back.